I won. I never won anything in my life, and I won a $200 gift card from Waldock Way. She did a giveaway on Instagram, and I was the lucky winner, and I was so excited that I bought $200 worth of books. What else would you buy? And so I wanted to share the books with you guys, especially with Amazon Prime around the corner and different things like that. Hopefully you guys can get some ideas. Okay, so I'm opening it up right now. Honestly, for $200, I really expected more packages, but I feel like this is a respectable 3 packages. Like, that's not that bad, you know? All right, so a lot of these books are history themed. Next year, we are studying ancient times. And so I utilized our BiblioPlan history curriculum in order to decide what books to get for our kiddos. So I'm going to quickly run through them, but I will be doing another video going over the specific readers that we are doing for the specific age group of kids that we have. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. But now I'm just going to do like a quick, this is what I got. If not, this would be forever. So we got Beyond the Desert Gate by Mary Ray, and this is Palestine AD 70. We got Anthony and Cleopatra. I believe this is Shakespeare. Spring Tide by Mary Ray, and this is Britain AD 311. I got the Book of Job, and I don't know if this is good or not. I'm going to pre-read this before I let my kiddo have it. But I believe it's about Job, but we'll see. It looked good. So, yeah. The Book of Job. Oh my gosh, I'm going to butcher this. The Young Carthaginian by G.A. Henty, and this is a story of the times of Hannibal. I got Paradise Lost by John Milton. If you've read any of these books, let me know in the comments which ones were good, which ones were like, Monday, avoid that. Let me know. Archimedes and the Door of Science by Janae Bendick. Now, this is also a Sunlight recommendation, so I'm really excited to read this book. The Empty Pot by Demi. Odysseus by Simon Spence. Seeker of Knowledge, The Man Who Deciphered Egyptian Hieroglyphics by James Rumford. King Midas and the Golden Touch by Charlotte Craft and illustrated by K.Y. Craft. It's like really pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. It's like one of the children's books that we're going to be reading. P is for Passover by Tanya Lee Stone, illustrated by Margay Lucas. And it goes through the alphabet. The Children's Homer, The Adventures of Odysseus and the Tale of Troy. The Trojan Horse, a classic. How the Greeks Won the War by Emily Little. I'm super excited to read this to my kiddos because it's a classic story. The Story of Chocolate, packed with facts you need to read. Tales of a Chinese Grandmother, 30 Traditional Tales from China. Bullfinch's Mythology. Yo, this is gorgeous. How pretty. The Age of Fable, The Age of Chivalry, Legends of Charlemagne. Guys, it is so pretty. My oldest is gonna love this. It's really, really pretty. It's got like golden edges. I love it so much. Love, 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 love. It's gonna look pretty on the shelf. Dinosaurs for Little Kids, Where Did They Go by Ken Ham. Fun with Roman numerals. How much fun, y'all. Oh my goodness. I'm here for it. So much fun. The Revenge of Ishtar, retold and illustrated by Ludmila Zeman. So pretty, so colorful. My kiddos are gonna love it. If you'd like to see some more books that I've picked up, check out this video right here.